How's everybody doing? This is Spike the Frugal Fixer, and I'm in the blue collar simulator tonight, and well, I run into a little issue. I've been sitting in the chair over there adjusting, and I got all my interference out, and I said, I got it covered. And then I go stand on the mat right here, and it starts flashing red. And then I had to find out why it was doing that. Now, this is crazy, guys. It's me. Well, it's not me. I'm reflecting it. So, you see the green light flashing. We got a clean signal. See that piece of foil on the front of the air conditioner? What's this? I'm going to step over here to the side. You still got a clean signal. You see that? Still clean signal. Green light. Ready to go. Ready to play. I'm going to step on the mat. You see that computer over there, it's going crazy. Radar saturation. And I just stand here with my body in the way and it does that. And when I walk away, it clears up. And you're talking about something that'll drive you crazy. You have problems and you go sit down and start adjusting, fixing, finding it. You get it figured out and then you can stand on the mat and it comes back. Yeah, that's right. See? I don't know. Now, I have a plate in my neck and a plate in my back. If that's causing the radar to bounce, I don't know. But I'm going to get one of my buddies tomorrow to come and get him to stand here and check it. And we'll see what it does for him. Heck, I don't know. But it's really got me puzzled. I got all these friends that are into these things, and everybody's trying to figure out how to get the interference out. And I'm going to walk in where I would play golf.
And it's red.
Get locked in. Look, it's going crazy. Look on my.
It's like,
look on the monitor. You see that thing jumping and going up and down?
Yeah.
So it just keeps doing interference tests because of radar saturation. Over here, and I want to see what happens when you walk over.
Okay, so now it's flashing green.
Yeah. And if it does the same thing, I'm gonna be even more.
And I'm gonna stand right here.
Yeah. What? It ain't that.
It's not you.
Nope. These guys, can y'all help me out? I'd appreciate it. Okay. So y'all be good. Come back and see me next time, and I'll find out something to educate all of us. Okay. Because I'm going to take my time and I'm going to learn and I'm going to study until I figure out exactly what the problem is. I mean, we know now that it's coming out of there and hitting me and going back to there. So, stand right here and it works fine. Get a golf club in my hand, it works fine. Yeah. Can you uncover that air conditioner? I don't know. Somehow I'm radar active. Figure that out. Y'all be good. Take care of the thing. See you later. Bye.